Hello, this is our Pong project. The way it works is we have 3 Arduinos. One of them is the main Arduino over here, and it has 3 displays, our main display, and 2 16x2 displays, which shows the score and the player. And before you start the game, it says press the button to start the game. The other 2 Arduinos are the controllers. The first one over here is hardwired, and it has a potentiometer and it has a start button. And if you click on it, the display over here will say it's waiting on player 1. Player 1 is over here, which is the third Arduino, and this one is connected via Bluetooth, which is over here on the main Arduino. And there's a button over here, and once the other player presses the button, then the game will start. Let us demonstrate. So the 2 displays on the top show the score and the player. Player 1 is on the right, and their score is also on the right. Player 2 has their score on the left. If one of us presses the button, then the game will pause. If you want to pause it, all we have to do is just simply press the button again. The game will go on until one of us reaches 10 points. Currently, player 2 has 7 points. Preview. Eight points for player 2. Preview. And that ends the game. So the screen on the right said that player 1 loses, and then to start the game again, we simply both have to press the start button.
One of the problems that we have encountered while building this project was the display showing the mirror image of what was supposed to be shown. So any message that display ends on the screen seems to be flipped, and we have not be able to learn how to fix that.
The way we wired them is we used the pins all the way over here for the main display, because if we took the display and put it directly on the Arduino, then we would be covering the ports that we need for the 16x2 displays. We have the Bluetooth module right here, which has the power and the ground, which is connected over here, and it also has RX and TX connected to RX3 and TX3 on the Mega Arduino. That communicates to the other Bluetooth module over here wirelessly. We use the potentiometer to move the paddle, and like we showed before, the button to start the game and pause the game. The controller over here is hardwired. We realized that we could only use a one-to-one connection for Bluetooth, so our only option was to hardwire one of the controllers. One of the problems that we had was, as we mentioned before, the letters looking like they are mirrored. And one of the ways that we tried to fix that was by having the wires put on this side. We found a source online which said that if you change ports 2 through 9 to ports 2 through 29, 22 through 29, then the screen should be just fine. when we tried that, there was no picture at all. It was just all white. Another issue that we have is when we start the game, the paddles are slow. We still don't know why. To improve the game even further, we would first make the paddles more responsive, and we would also add levels to it. For example, we could make level 1 to be the speed that we have right now, and level 2 to be twice as fast, and so on. We could also add different colored balls and paddles to change the game. Another thing that we wanted to add was make an AI, so only one player can play against the computer. And that's it.